Hello. If you would like to export Messenger conversation history of your Facebook business page, open your business page. Then you should click on settings, but if the settings option is blurred, click this switch button. What you need to do is to switch from your personal profile to your page profile. Then the settings option would come back and you click on that, and then you click privacy. Then you choose Facebook page information option. On this page you will find download profile information title, and next to it you will see a view button that you should click. Choose the format in which you would like to download the messaging history. If you are using it for training a chatbot, choose JSON. Also, if you're using it for this purpose, you probably don't need high media quality, so just choose low. If you want to download your whole messaging history, click all time here, and then click deselect all. Scroll down until you see messages and the messaging logo, and put the check mark there. On the very end there is a button called request to download. Click on that. Now your request is sent, and you will see a notification in your notifications when the download is ready. Here I have a download just to show you how it looks like when you download the messaging history. There's one folder called messages, one folder called inbox, and then there's one folder for every chat session you had. So for every chat participant there is a particular folder. If you open that folder, you will see a folder with the photos and with media shared in the chat, and you will see a message JSON file which contains all the messages with timestamp and sender name. That would be all. Thank you and have a nice day.